friendly. They'll sit in, they'll go right in your room. Yeah, they'll come and sit on your veranda, and you know, you can work your laptop there by the ocean. Why, good afternoon. Hey, what did I tell you? See, he's the rebel. Now, he's sweet. He'll never hurt her. But this one gets real jealous. And he's afraid now of his brother. Here, baby. Here. There you go. Now, they're only about 2.5 years old. And it'll take them 3 years to get their train. And here comes the daddy. And we didn't name these birds, but I named him Quasimodo because he's got a broken feather and a gnarled foot. And he's still got a ways to go, so in a couple of months, his eyes at the end will be real full. And he gets to be about 6 or 8 feet. And she was born out of an egg there that I had to crack. She wasn't coming out. So I cracked the egg and pulled her out, and she stands today a healthy little peahen. And they're very friendly birds. Built this, Dave and I built this for the animals, and it's actually a little too small. We'd like to get a bigger area so we could put some goats, and we'd like pigs and things like that, so that the resort will have a sanctuary for the animals and for people and children to enjoy, which the children do love the animals.